क्यों नहीं है? गैस सिलेंडर नहीं है और ये भाई साहब ऐसे ही ड्रैगन बना के फिर रहे अपनी स्प्लेंडर को। वाह, थंडर। ओके, वेलकम बैक टू मोटरसाइकिल मॉड रिव्यू। आई नो बहुत दिन हो गए हैं। आई थिंक इट्स बीन लाइक मोर देन अ मंथ मैंने मॉड रिव्यू नहीं किया है। पापा वाज जस्ट लेजी, वेरी लेजी। तो देखते हैं कि आप लोगों ने क्या मॉड्स पापा के साथ शेयर किए हैं ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एक और चीज, हाँ, ये जब वीडियो बनाऊंगा मैं तो आई एम गोना शोकेस वन ऑफ पापास ऑफ रोड क्रैश। तो पापा यहाँ पे मॉड्स रिव्यू करते हैं, आप पापा का क्रैश रिव्यू करना, ठीक है? वीडियो जब बनाऊंगा तो उस बीच में डालूंगा। और मस्त फॉल हुआ, आई गॉट हर्ट है, I don't know if you can see, कहीं और चोट नहीं लगी मेरे को। Okay, I was wearing full gear, so I was totally fine. मैं यहाँ थोड़ा लाल हो गया, यहाँ थोड़ा लाल हो गया, सब यहाँ पे थोड़ा गुज गया थोड़ा। क्यों? Not because of gear, because I was wearing a G-Shock. इसको घंटा कुछ नहीं हुआ। Instead, it took the impact, took the force and transferred it on me. He has put a fan, radiator fan, usually liquid cool motorcycles में।
उसके बाद और स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी।
And you can increase the speed also.
और स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी।
By clicking the button.
मतलब भाई क्या ही चाहिए? अब इंजन बिल्कुल ठंडा है, देखो भाई हवा। तो भाई अपने लास्ट वीडियो के अंदर देखा था हमने अपनी टीवीएस बाइक के अंदर रेडिएटर फैन लगा दिया था।
जो सीपीयू बनाते हैं उसमें लगाते हैं ना, वो वाला फैन लग रहा है मेरे को, वही है ना?
जिसका हमने कनेक्शन भी कर दिया था और इसकी जो यूएसबी केबल थी वो हमने यहाँ पर लगाई थी।
वाह, क्या बात है।
चलो इसका ऑन कर देते हैं।
यूएसबी पॉइंट का बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
हमें इसके पीछे एक बटन दिया जाता है, ठीक है? हमें इसको सिंपली टैप करना है।
ओके,
और ये देखो फुल हो चुका है भाई।
मतलब लॉजिक से देखा जाए तो इट शुड वर्क। Dude, how did it stuck it there? I have a feeling it's gonna fly off. This is from Portronics. Oh, this is a mobile accessory, PC accessory, हाँ, car accessory। अच्छा। As I said, PC में यूज कर सकते हो, कार में भी यूज कर सकते हैं। So it's basically a portable USB fan. भाई इसने तो इंजन के ऊपर चिपकाया है। इंजन गर्म होगा, won't the fan only get melted before it starts cooling it down? There's a lot of things that can go wrong, but how much cooling it'll do, man? Such a chotu fan. The fan needs another fan to keep it cool. That's actually a good idea. Get some portable fan, USB plug, and put it under your t-shirt or under your riding jacket.
तो ये देखिए सिर्फ 500 रुपए में बना एसी जैकेट।
That's a good idea. That's one of the good ideas, right? Not good है, पता नहीं good है कि bad है। Moto GP upgrader है, see, straight from the paddock. We're not gonna rate this mod. Instead, we're gonna say, should this mod trend or die? I think fan is gonna die. तो trend और die शायद यहाँ पे काम नहीं करेगा। Chat बोलिए trend यहाँ पे। Are we sticking to trend? Yeah, I think we're gonna go with trend if we have a fan which is actually built with some R&D to cool off the engine with. Maybe logically it works. Please don't take us seriously, okay? We are having fun here. यहाँ पे disclaimer देना पड़ता है, बहुत लोग घोचू लोग आते हैं, इनको समझ में नहीं आता है। Okay, this is from hard work boys, okay? Big screen on bike.
मैंने ना बाइक की TFT हटा के ना ये LED फिट
कुछ भी
करवा ली है।
बकवास।
अब बाइक चलाऊंगा तो इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन में दिखेगा सब कुछ।
Oh my God.
अभी कनेक्शन नहीं किया है, बट देखो
Possible.
देखो है
Possible. I am sure this is a parody, so don't take it seriously, but this is highly possible. जिस टाइप से हमारी स्क्रीन की साइजें बढ़ रही है ना, this is highly possible one day. I am not looking forward to that day. I always disliked full digital screen. ठीक है, अच्छा है, ठीक है, पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन दिखता है, but I am fan of a like maybe a semi digital, हाँ, एनालॉग भी हो, डिजिटल भी हो, like the one on your Triumph 400 चैनल। और हम लोग देख भी रहे हैं, जैसे आप Triumph Tiger को देखिए, इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन, मोटो मोरोनी में इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन, भाई, क्या उसमें तो नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है? टिंडर करना है तुमको चलते चलते? इस बेटर कर्व डिस्प्ले लगाते गेमिंग कर लो बाइक पे। हाँ, कर्व डिस्प्ले विल टेक लेस स्पेस आल्सो एंड इट बी अ बिगर स्क्रीन, सो कर्व डिस्प्ले कैन बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, आई गेस। और फोल्डेबल डिस्प्ले, हाउ अबाउट दैट? Samsung bringing their foldable display on Duke 390, next upgrade. When it's folded, you only see the basic information, and you unfold it, you get the full diagnostic of the motorcycle. To all these brands who are putting bigger screen with each iteration, AGV hammer. Okay, this is from Power Drift. सुनते हैं क्या बता रहे?
Meet Mooshak Raj.
Mooshak
I'll
Raj.
explain the name later on. The most interesting part about this build by TNT Motorcycles is that this is a hybrid between Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and Triumph Scrambler 1200, and that is the reason why this is built different.
Okay, that's mad. That's a mad build.
Borrowed parts from the Scrambler 1200 include front and rear suspension, tubeless spoke wheels, and double disc setup at the front. Also,
Wow!
the swing arm.
Check out swing arm.
Gorgeous swing arm.
The swing arm from Scrambler 1200.
This beautiful bodywork is carved out of aluminum,
Nice.
including the back.
Check out the
plate.
exhaust, header
But the
pipes.
exhaust is in-house. The end cans are
Prox.
Prox. And guess what? This is 13 kilograms lighter
Wow.
than the stock motorcycle. What's in it?
Even after adding 2 motorcycles together, it becomes lighter. That's crazy.
Name, you ask? Well, the owner who commissioned this build is a big devotee of Lord Shiva.
Who did the
Considers
mods?
himself his son, and hence the name Mushak Raj.
Mushak Raj.
What do you think about this?
What a crazy logo also, man. Wow! Thunder! मम्मी बारिश होने वाली है. From TNT Motorcycles. Okay, this has been built by TNT Motorcycles. Okay, Scrambler 1200 को शायद इसको मिला होगा 1200 Scrambler accident वाला या तो काम नहीं कर रही होगी. जोड़ दो. And that's a good way to do it. You know, find all these parts from all these motorcycles which have been scrapped. मतलब I'm just guessing. How much would you rate this build out of 10? Out of 10 तो हम लोग यहाँ पे रेट नहीं करते हैं, but we are gonna rate in spark plugs or are we gonna give golden sprocket? Janta decide. I have felt the chat and the chat says 5 spark plug. I would have gone towards golden sprocket, but chat की feeling ले रहा हूँ मैं और I think 5 golden spark plugs we can say. How about that? To Mushak Raj. What a well thought motorcycle. Even the name, the build, everything is so amazing. This is from Aero X. Okay, this is a R155. R15. Wow. Is it a version 2? I think the version 3, right? Papa. Check out the color scheme on this. It's called Atox. I have seen crazy builds of R15, but what I'm really liking here is the combination of colors. The white, red, yellow, chonky red tire. I think there's a cover for the tank also. Insane modification. Where is this from? I don't think it's from India. Maybe from Indonesia, Malaysia side, or maybe Bangladesh. This is from Automotive Pandit.
हंटर है तो आप क्या मानेंगे बट एक्चुअली ये हंटर है.
Oh, this is a hunter.
इसका निकनेम त्रिशूल
Wow.
रखा गया है बिकॉज़ ये कुवर कस्टम ने
Nickname Thrissur. Okay.
कस्टमाइज किया अपने अकॉर्डिंग बट
Check out the subframe, the monoshock suspension on a hunter. Okay.
इसकी एक प्यारा सा फ्रंट रोल दिया गया है, एक बैक सीट जो कि सिंगल सीटर बनाई गई है बिकॉज़
Check out the swing arm on this, yaar.
a custom swing arm with custom frames
Yeah.
and hydraulic clutch, hydraulic brakes, and it produces around 22 bhp. This was made for Royal Enfield actually. It scored the rank first in that competition.
Came first in that hunter modification competition. So basically, Royal Enfield does, it sends its bikes to multiple modification, custom guys and all. They go full berserk on these motorcycles. Again, it's not about practicality. It's about, you know, what new can they do basically? What new can they do with this motorcycle? Push new boundaries.
The color is blue.
Nice. I like the color
left-hand
combination.
side of the bike.
I'm sure Royal Enfield gonna steal this color scheme because they're using some weird ass color schemes and which are nice also.
Plus, it has a digital meter.
What? You saw that digital meter?
It also has a push start button.
Push start button like race bikes.
This got the USD suspension.
USD suspension also.
It got the hydraulic clutch.
Hydraulic clutch also. That's what I said. Pushing limits. They want this motorcycle to look like this. Look like a spaceship maybe. They want to look like a Lamborghini maybe. Maybe look like a bullet train. And then they'll start designing around it. Or maybe something totally different which nobody has ever imagined or built. The meter is so beautiful. The meter is damn cool. Especially going with the push button start. Chat का मैंने यहाँ पे feeling ले लिया है and the chat says 5 spark plugs yet again. God damn. Okay, let's check this out. This is a X-Pulse mod. Okay, this is from Pikachu. Okay, his name is Pikachu. Very nice. Oh, wait. I want to see his helmet. He's wearing a normal street helmet and he's wearing goggles inside. And he's opened his visor. That's weird. And using his visor as a beak. Nice. I like the color scheme. How he has put the radiator guard red and the red body panels. Oh, this is the extra body panel. And then there's a rally tower with... No, there are fucking 3 sets of aux lights. Mad. Yeah, see this part? This part? I've never seen anyone use this Norifumi exhaust. Nice. Looks cool, yeah. Looks like Shroud from 210. Even I feel so, right? I'm not sure. But he has really well integrated it into the bike. Chat का feeling लिया है and we are going with 4 spark plugs. एक चीज मेरे को इससे याद आया, मेरे को कुछ लोग आके बोलते हैं अरे पापा आप ना ये छोटी बाइक्स को देख के आप इनको कम स्पार्क प्लग दे देते हो क्योंकि ये सुपर बाइक नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई यू डोंट गिव देम मोर स्पार्क प्लग्स एंड ऑल. दैट्स बुलशिट. वी हैव गिवन इवन गोल्डन स्प्रॉकेट्स टू एक्सपल्स मॉड्स एंड ऑल. तो यहाँ पे मैं चैट की फीलिंग लेके अपनी फीलिंग लेके यहाँ पे रिव्यू दे रहे हैं. हम लोग ये देखते नहीं कि बाइक कितनी महंगी कितनी सस्ती है. इट्स टोटली बेस्ड ऑन आवर पर्सनल ओपिनियन. इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं? तो फालतू में उंगली मत उठाइए. तोड़ देंगे, बता रहे तोड़ देंगे पापा उंगली.
Daddy, chill.
ये अरे पापा व्हाट द फक. ये हॉर्न नहीं मारता है, फ्लेम थ्रोअर मारता है. गजब आदमी भाई साहब. स्प्लेंडर एक्स ड्रैगन टेमिंग द स्प्लेंडर. दैट्स व्हाई इट डजंट हैव हॉर्न आल्सो. यूजुअली पंजाबी मॉड्स में आपको 50 हॉर्न दिखेंगे. ही इज लाइक दिस शिट, आई एम गोइंग मैड मैक्स मोड. Dude, what is happening on the suspension also, man? Check out the suspension cover with lights and stuff. Something's written also. यहाँ पे LPG की कमी हो रही है, साला फ्लेम थ्रोअर डाल रहा है। यहाँ पे मैं अपनी धर्मपत्नी को बोलता हूँ, आज क्या नाम है, खाना एयर फ्रायर में बनाते हैं, मत यूज करो LPG। 5-6 हजार का LPG मिल रहा है, गैस सिलेंडर मिल रहा है, ये यहाँ पे ये आग उगल रहा है यहाँ पे। One spark plug just because he's wasting all the LPG. We need the gas. हाँ, आजकल मैं रेस्टोरेंट जा रहा हूँ, अपने फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट, वहां पे जाता हूँ, मैं ऑर्डर करता हूँ बिरयानी, कहते हैं बिरयानी नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है? गैस सिलेंडर नहीं है। और ये भाई साहब ऐसे ही ड्रैगन बना के फिर रहे अपनी स्प्लेंडर को। व्हाट इज धर्मपत्नी? इट सीम्स यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज धर्मपत्नी, यू विल नो वन डे। व्हाट द हेल इज दिस? व्हाट इज दैट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फकिंग व्हील कवर्स। गॉड डैम इट। I know some people say those wheel covers looks nice, but somehow they look very ugly. I mean, overall, the mod of the motorcycle looks nice, actually. Okay, I think it's the R15 only, right? It's a R1. How is this brake calipers even working? Are the brake calipers are integrated into the wheel covers? What the fuck is going on? And what is this gold foil? I think these gold foils are usually used for heat dissipation or heat reflection and stuff. But mad. His channel name is Dead Sec Racing. That's a drag bike. If it's a drag bike and the cover has been put for a specific purpose, then yeah, it makes sense. Maybe there's some R&D, some work has gone into it, and somehow it affects with their drag racing capabilities. Then maybe it works. Makes sense, because even MotoGP we had wheel covers नहीं बोलेंगे, कुछ तो cover था उनका wheel पे, and they were built with proper R&D and stuff for specific use and all, which helped the MotoGP bikes with some things. From Rajputana Customs again. Check out the front suspension on this. What bike is that, first of all? It has to be a Royal... No, it's not a Royal Enfield, it's a Harley Davidson. Check out the front suspension on this. It's a Harley engine V-twin. Whoa! Dude. First I thought now it's some AI slop. Dude, but check out the build on this. 1250. Front tire is fatter than freaking rear tire. See how he's sitting, dude. He's sitting like this. It's some kind of freaking exercise, dude. A boat, when you're rowing a boat. Same motorcycle. He's into a cruiser position also. And he's in a sports bike position also. Bye. Check that build out. What the fuck? These lights opens up from the tank. It's a sports bike plus a cruiser bike position. After 10 minutes of riding, this and everything will start paining. And I can feel the chat. It goes with the golden sprocket. Let's go. With my face in between. Pataka bolo. एडिटर साहब 53 तूफान आ गए। आहा, he has wings made up of horns and a AK-47. पंजाब is living in a different realm altogether, man. कुछ भी उनका चला, अपना ही सीन है उनका। This is a technology to shoot down the drones or at least distract the drones. कुछ तो काम आएगा, कुछ तो काम आने के लिए भी gonna give it 2 spark plug. At least 2 ड्रोन तो गिराएगा ये पक्का, या तो घुमाएगा, और maybe the drone will fall on him.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ।
शादी की बारात में कितने में आएगा? शादी की बारात में आजकल ये गोरिल्ला को बुलाते हैं ना, गोरिल्ला वाले की जगह इसको बुलाना चाहिए। चल ये क्या है?
डिफ्लेक्टर्स,
विंड डिफ्लेक्टर्स,
मेट्योर 350 एंड सुपर मेट्योर 650 के लिए।
अच्छा,
स्टील में रहेगा, 304 ग्रेड का मटेरियल है। और भाई
डूड, फर्स्ट आई थॉट दिस इज नाइफ्स एंड ऑल। नो इफ नो बट ओनली टपा टप।
आप फिटिंग देखिए कितनी हैवी क्लैंप्स हैं, ठीक है, स्टेनलेस स्टील के। आपका विंड डिफ्लेक्टर एक बार फिट होने के बाद कोई
भाई विंड डिफ्लेक्टर के चक्कर में इतना वेट बाइक पे
है, तो उसको ब्रॉड बनाने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट एसेसरी है। तो क्लैंप्स इस
तरह से बनाने हैं और विंड डिफ्लेक्टर्स। इज इट रियली गोना डिफ्लेक्ट दैट मच विंड? आर यू गोइंग इवन दैट फास्ट टू डिफ्लेक्ट विंड on this motorcycle? I think this more than wind deflectors na, I think they are more to make it look cool and all, more of a aesthetic mods. Visual accessory है mostly. हाँ, it looks like visual accessory. It looks like a bloody knife, man. Can cut people. You're literally slicing through the traffic. See, the engine is air-cooled engine, right? It's not a liquid-cooled engine. So you need that wind to come to the engine. You shouldn't be deflecting it away from the engine, right? It just makes the bike look bigger from the front. Yeah, I think so. That's the whole objective of this bike, and the wind deflector was just a byproduct, I guess. Let the chat decide. Chat, should this mod trend or die? French guillotine out of 100. Currently, what bikes do you own? You will come to know eventually. कुछ लोग अपना फेस छुपाने की कोशिश करते हैं, पापा अपनी बाइक छुपाने की कोशिश करते हैं। ट्रेंड और डाई? भाई मेरी बाइक के ऊपर बात मत करो, ये मॉड के ऊपर बताओ, ट्रेंड या डाई। चैट, डू नॉट डिसाइड अबाउट माय मोटरसाइकिल। मेरे गराज में क्या है? आई एम आस्किंग, should this mod trend or die? Nobody is commenting trend or die. I think these f***ers na, if they write trend, they will look bad. I think they have some kind of feeling which they don't want to showcase. They don't want to come out of the closet. तो मैं ही बोल देता हूँ. I feel I'm not a fan of adding extra weight for no reason. And ये कोई wind deflector कुछ ज्यादा काम का नहीं. I don't feel so. इंजन में जितना हवा जाए, you know, air cooled इंजन में उतना अच्छा. So I'm gonna say, okay, day. Oh, it's our Big Bear Bangalore. Let's go.
क्या करता है रे तेरी तो
Bosque, let's go. Check out his Superfly 450. Let's go check it out.
One of the aims was to see how I can reduce weight.
Nice.
The most obvious
That is the first thing that came into my mind when I saw an Himalayan or any fucking adventure bike. My first priority is how to reduce more weight on this. How can you make it more lighter?
weight reduction is the tank guards.
Tank guards, yeah.
Two big frames, I have got rid of them.
Nice.
And
he has modded the tank also. Check out the tank, man.
the tank has been reshaped.
Yeah.
This is not to reduce weight. That little.
It looks cool, yeah. If you see from this angle, it looks so nice. It looks like some motocross type. Because ऐसे आप हिमालयन में बैठो ना लगता है कोई बहुत बड़ी बाइक है. Means when the Guerrilla 450 came in, I always thought, can we fit the Guerrilla 450 tank onto this? Apparently we can't.
Bit of sheet metal on both sides.
Oh, sheet metal लगा है
It's not
इसमें.
going to reduce a lot of weight. Again, the rear rack,
Oh.
I got rid of the rear rack. I switched to
Nice.
Apollo tires. Okay, I got rid of the center stand. No center stand. That's
And I hate center stand. Means it's very helpful, useful, but they add so much weight.
another weight loss. Several hours later, we are at a different place. Of course, you can see. So to continue, so got rid of the exhaust pot. It saved a lot of weight. Added a link pipe.
Okay. So the catalytic converter also has been removed. And the bash plate which has been used. This is Asabiska bash plates and the engine guard. These are, I think, fiber plastic or something, and they're light, so they don't add so much weight as your metal ones. Depending on your usage, you can buy them.
Retain the stock tail can,
Which is very nice
a bit
looking.
louder. It's a lot free flow.
Nice.
Catalytic converter is part of the primary pot. It's been removed. However, it did pass emission. I have the emission certificate.
Nice. Legal bike hai matlab. I couldn't find the full video, man, on his channel. I want to watch that full video and make a video. You know what? Papa style, right? We'll do it in future. So how many spark plugs for now? His Superfly 450. But what I've heard now, if you remove that guard, the headlamp vibrates. Very nice. I love his build, man. I want to go to him and build same tank if I had a Himalayan. Chat का भी feeling लिया और मेरा भी feeling है. I think for now, with the short form content, Big Bear Bangalore for the Superfly 450 gets a 5 spark plug. Let's go. We'll check out his full video soon. Adil उस्ताद है, ये भी लगता है पाकिस्तान से ही है. पाकिस्तान से ही आपको ये खतरनाक mods आते हैं. ये this is again on a CD70. What is the sound? Okay, no more kickstand. Okay, did I say kickstand? Kickstart. Instead, you have a sprocket, okay, which you have to make it in lattu banana uska. Then you have on a swing arm, you had made a hole to put in a handle, okay. ये सब वहीं से क्यों मिलता है हम लोग को ऐसा mods? Again another nut for this nut job of a mod, and now you have. Dude, okay, this is all fine, but what the fuck is the sound of that exhaust? Why it sounds like a bubble making machine or something? Like the exhaust is underwater or some shit. What is the sound? Why is the exhaust underwater?
I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Kickstart into hand start. Am I being insensitive to Pahej handicap people? Is it for them? Like who doesn't have legs? Maybe the right side leg at least. एक बाइक की इतनी मार के रखोगे तो बबल की आवाज आएगी. What do you call it? I don't think it's hand start because it's kick. Beyblade start. It's has a better name. Let it rip. 5-minute craft from Pakistan. Exactly, yes. Okay, this is another mod. Instead of building a bent pipe for his exhaust, man has put some, I don't know, metal flexi pipe or some shit. I don't know what it's called exactly, but watch this shit.
ये नए वाले एग्जॉस्ट की कार्ड की गारंटी खत्म कर दी।
SKD Bike World.
ये सब टच हो रहा है। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर तो हद हो गई, लोहे का पाइप वेल्डिंग करके और इस तरीके से एग्जॉस्ट को भी वेल्डिंग कर दिया है।
What?
तो गाइस जब भी आप करोल बाग में आते हो और आप सोचते हो कुछ पैसे बचा ले और आप चले जाते हो कुछ ऐसे लोगों के
Dude, I am never going to Karol Bagh for any fucking thing.
पास जिन्हें काम करने की सेंस ही नहीं है।
हाँ.
ये देखो भाई, अभी भाई ने बोला कि हमें बेनेली स्टाइल कुछ एग्जॉस्ट चाहिए।
But dude, this is the first time I'm seeing this kind of bent pipe, man. It's the fucking पानी वाला pipe. Yeah, the welding is obviously shit. This is like shat on it and welded it.
ये तो किसी ने ये सांप लगा दिया।
हाँ.
ये नए वाले एग्जॉस्ट की कार्ड की गारंटी खत्म कर दी।
What the?
गाड़ी की और ये सब टच हो रहा है। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर तो हद हो गई,
हाँ.
लोहे का पाइप वेल्डिंग करके और इस तरीके से एग्जॉस्ट को वेल्डिंग कर
Oh
दिया।
my god.
तरीका ये नहीं होता, जिसने भी कराया भाई तो काम करना सीख लो।
See, this is a nicely built. This is not bad. कुछ भी हो रहा है भाई, कुछ भी लोग करवा रहे हैं और कर भी रहे हैं। परमिशन लिया होगा ना बंदे से जिसकी बाइक है करने से पहले। मैं तो कहता हूँ आप दिल्ली से निकल लो, आपके लिए अच्छा होगा। सस्ता वेल्डिंग, सस्ता स्टिल बेटर डूड। फ्री में भी ना करे कोई ऐसा। करोल बाग को मिलेगा एक स्पार्क प्लग और AGV हैमर।
Round and round the wheels on the bike go round and round all through the town.